Good morning children. Sairam. Last class we saw in exercise number 3.1 add the following, right? Addition of 4-digit numbers without carry forward, right? So addition of 4-digit numbers without carry forward. Now we are going to continue the same. Shall we? So we are going to add 3542, 3542 and 6213. We are going to add 3542, 6213. Shall we add now? So how to add? First we have to add the ones place, isn't it? So shall we add this? 2 plus 3, 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Now first we are going to add the ones place, isn't it? So add 2 plus 3, 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 in the ones place now. Write 5 in the ones place. Now what we should do now? So next we have to add the tens place, isn't it? 4 and 1. We are going to add 4 and 1. Add 4 plus 1. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. After 4, you are going to add only 1, right? 4 plus 1, 5. So that you are going to write it down below. This 4 plus 1, 5. Then next we are going to add the hundreds place. 5, 2. Next we are going to add the hundreds place. 5 and 2. Add 5 plus 2 and tell me the answer now. We are going to add 5 and 2 now. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Write it down. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. Then we have to add the thousands place. Next we have to move on to the thousands place. Now take the thousands place. Now we have to add the thousands place. 3 and 6. Now add 3 plus 6 and tell me the answer now children. Yes, you are going to add and tell me the answer now. 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 3 plus 6 is? 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 you are going to add. So the answer is 9. So the answer for this is when you add 3542 and 6213, the answer is 9755. Clear children? So while adding, first we have to add the ones place, right? I'll repeat it one more time. First add the ones place, 2 and 3. Add the ones place, 2 plus 3, 5. So write it below. Next move on to the tens place. 4 and 1. Add 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Then move on to the hundreds place. 5 plus 2, 7. Write it down. Then thousands place. 3 plus 6, 9. So the answer is 9755. Shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. Add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. This tabular column you are going to put. Yes, this table you are going to put thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Only this is given for you. So only this is given for you. Only this will be given for you. So you are going to make a tabular column. Yes. So you're going to add 6214 plus 2073. Shall we? So first write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands please. So write O-T-H-T-H. Then 6200. Take number 6214. So write 6214. 4 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place and 6 in the thousands place. Now take the second number 2073. Write it down in the correct place. 2 in the thousands place, 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. Yes, 3 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place and 0 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Now, shall we add this now? First, we have to write in the correct place, then we are going to add now. So, first we have to add the ones place, isn't it? So, shall we add the ones place now? 4 and 3. Add 4 plus 3 and tell me the answer now, children. 4 plus 3, 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the answer is 7. Write 7 down. Next, you are going to add the tens place. Yes, 1 and 7. Add 1 and 7. 1 plus 7. You can add like this also. 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. After 7, 8. So, write 8 down. Or else 1 in the mind, 7 in the finger. You can write, you can add in any way. 1 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8, write 8 below. Next, move on to the hundreds place. 2 and 0. You are going to add 2 plus 0. When you add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. So, write 2 below. 2 plus 0 is 0. So, write 0 here. Sorry, 2 plus 0 is 2. Sorry, 2 plus 0 is 2. So, write 2 below. Then 6 plus 2. Then move on to the thousands place now. Move on to the thousands place. 6 plus 2. Add 6 and 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So, write 8 below. So, the answer when you add 6,214 and 2,073, the answer is 8,287. I'll repeat it one more time. First, you are going to write the numbers in the correct place. First, take the 6,214. Write it in the correct place. 4 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place and 6 in the thousands place. Now, take the second number 2073. Write in the correct place. 3 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Now, you are going to add this now. First, you have to add the ones place. So, 4 plus 3, 7. Then then move on to the tens place. 1 plus 7, 8. Then add the hundreds place. 2 plus 0, 2. Very good. Then 6 plus 2. Move on to the thousands place. 6 plus 2, 8. Shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. Now, you are going to add 5,937 and 2,498. You are going to add 5,937 and 2,498. So, put that in the correct place. So, first I am taking the first number 5937. 7 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Next, take the second number 2498. 8 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Now, shall we add now? Now, first we are going to add 8 and 7. Shall we add this now? Yes, 8 plus 7. 8 in the mind, 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, the answer is 15. So, 15, 5 I am writing it here and 1 I am carry forwarding it here to the next one. 5 I am writing it here. See, as this is a 2-digit number, so 5 I am writing it here and 1 I am carry forwarding to the tens place now. So, if it is a 2-digit number, what you have to do? Write 5 in the ones place and 1 it should be carry forward to the tens place. Now, shall we add this now? Next one. First, you are going to add the ones place 7 and 8. The answer is, if you add 7 plus 8, the answer is 15. Write 5 here and 1 you have to carry forward here. Yes. Next one. 3 and 9. You're going to add 3 and 9, and you should not, don't forget to add this carry over. Yes. Now add 1 plus 3. First take the first two numbers. 1 plus 3. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take 1 plus 3 is 4. Now add 4 plus 9. Add 4 plus 9. 4 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. When you add 4 plus 9, the answer is 13, isn't it? When you add 4 plus 9, the answer is 13. What you have to do? Now write 3 here in the tens place, and 1 you have to carry forward to the next hundreds place, and 1 you are going to carry forward to the hundreds place, isn't it? So first what you have to do? First take the two numbers 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now add 4 with 9. The third number is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. So right, as it is a two-digit number, write 3 in the tens place and carry forward the 1 to the hundreds place. Next is the hundreds place, isn't it? Now carry forward 1 to the hundreds place. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? So while adding, don't forget to add the carry over. So now add 1 plus 9. 1 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 plus 9 is, if you add 1 plus 9, the answer is 10, right? Now add 10 with the next number 4. Now add 10 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 1. Now 14, it is also a two-digit number. So what you should do now? Write 4 here and 1 you are going to carry forward here. 1 I am carry forwarding to the thousands place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. If you add 0 plus 4, the answer is 4, and here there is nothing to add. So bring down that number. So the answer is 14. 14 is again a two-digit number. So write 4 here and 1 you are going to carry forward to the thousands place. Now add 5 plus 1. Now 5 plus 1. Now you are going to add the thousands place. 1 plus 5. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with 6 you are going to add the third number 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here. So the answer is 8,435. So you know how to add two numbers, right? So first you have to write in the correct place, then add 7. Add the ones place. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15. Write 5 in the ones place and 1 you are going to carry forward to the tens place. Now add the tens place now. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. So 13 is again a two-digit number. Write 3 in the tens place. 1 you carry forward to the hundreds place. Now add 1 plus 9, 10. Then 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. 4 you write in the hundreds place and 1 you are going to carry forward to the thousands place. Add 1 plus 5. Now you are going to add the thousands place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 8,435. Shall we move on now? Addition of two-digit numbers with carry over. We saw one number, right? Carry over. Now I'm going to explain in brief that how to add two four-digit numbers with carry over. Shall we? So now we are going to add 8,254 and 7,918. We are going to add 8,254 and 7,918. So shall we add this now? First we are going to write in the correct place. 4 in the ones place, 5 in the first number. I am taking 8,254. Right in the correct place. 8 in the thousands place. 2 in the hundreds place. 5 in the tens place. And 4 in the ones place. Now second number. 7,000. So write 7 in the thousands place. 9 in the hundreds place. 1 in the tens place. And 8 in the 1 in the tens place. And 8 in the ones place. Shall we add this now? How to add? First, we have to add the ones place, isn't it? We are going to add the ones place. What is there in the ones place? 4 and 8. So, the first step is you are going to add 4 plus 8. Add 4 plus 8 and tell me the answer now. After 4, you are going to add 8. Shall we add 8? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. After 4, you are going to add 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So, right. So, 12 it is a 2-digit number, right? So, the first step it is a 2-digit number, right? So, write 2 in the, it is a 2-digit number. Write only 2 in the ones place and 1. What you're going to do? That we'll see now. 1 you're going to carry forward to the tens place. That is the second step. The first step is you're going to add the ones place, isn't it? So 4 plus 8 is 12. So you're going to write only 2 in the ones place and 1 we are going to carry forward to the tens place. So the second step is 12 is a 2-digit number. So that 1 I'm carry forwarding to the tens place, right? So now shall we add this now? Yes. Now 1 I'm carry forward to the tens place, right? So now we are going to add the tens place. Now add 1 plus 5 and tell me the answer now. First take the 1 and 5. Add 1 plus 5. 1 in the mind. You're going to add 1 to 5. 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've added 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Then add 1. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Now we are going to add 6 to the third number 1. So add 6 plus 1. 6 in the mind. You're going to add 6 to 1. After 6, 7. So write 7 down. There is no carry forward here. As it is a 1-digit number, there is no carry forward. So write that number directly. So the second step is you have carry forwarded the 1 to the tens place, right? So that now we are going to add the tens place. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now the third step, we are going to add the hundreds place. Shall we add the hundreds place? Now what are the numbers are there in the hundreds place? 2, 9. Shall we add this? There is no carry forward here, right? So 2 plus 9. We can add like this. We can keep 9 also in the mind, right? 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11. After 9, 10, 11. Again 11 is a, if you add 2 plus 9, the answer is 11, right? So we are going to write only 1 in the, we are going to write 1 in the hundreds place, and this one I am going to carry forward to the next place, that means thousands place. Now that we'll see now. Now I've carried forward 11 is a 2-digit number. So 1 I'm writing it here and this one I'm carry forwarding here. I'm carry forwarding to the thousands place. Now what we are going to do now? Shall we add the thousands place now? Yes. So first don't forget to add the carry over please. 1 plus, now we are going to add 1 plus 8. What is, when you add 1 plus 8, what is the answer? First take the first two numbers 1 and 8. 1 plus 8. After 1 you are going to add 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So the answer is 9. What I am going to do now? With that 9 I am going to add 7. With that 9 I am going to add 7. After 9 I am going to add 7. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I've added 7, 16. The answer is 16. When you add 9 plus 7, the answer is 16. So again it is a 2-digit number, right? So what we have to do? Write 6 alone in the thousands place, and 1 you have to carry forward to the next place, and 1 you are going to carry forward to the next place. See, this one is 16 is a 2-digit number, right? So that's 6 I have written here, and 1 is carry forward to the 10,000 place now. So there is no number to add. So bring down that number. So write 1 here. So the answer is 16,172. Answer is 16,172. If you add 8,254 and 7,918, the answer is 16,172. So while adding the carry forward, what you have to do? First we have to add the ones place. Then if there is any carry forward, if that is a 2-digit number, so what you have to do? So if it is a 2-digit number, so say 12. So you are going to write only 2 here. That 1 will be carried forward to the next place. That means 10th place, like that. So we are going to, if it is a 2-digit number, the second number we are going to carry forward to the next place. Now we'll see addition of 4-digit numbers. How to add 3 4-digit numbers? Yes. So first, we are going to add 4,913, 5,062, 7,428. We are going to add 4,913, 5,062, 7,428. Shall we add this now? Yes. So first what we have to do? First write it in the correct place. First take the first number, 4,900, 4,000. So write 4 in the thousands place, 4,909. So 9 in the hundreds place and 1 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. Now take the second number, 5062, 5,000. So 5 in the thousands place, 0 in the hundreds place and 6 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. Now 7,000. So 7 in the thousands place, 400, 4 in the hundreds place, 28, 2 in the tens place, 8 in the ones place. Shall we add this now? Now we are going to add, how to add 3 numbers. First take the first 2 numbers, 3 and 2. Add 3 plus 2. First take the 2 numbers, 3 plus 2. Now add and tell me the answer now, children. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3 we are going to add 2, right? 3, 4, 5. After 3 I am going to add 2. 4, 5. So we know 3 plus 2 is 5. So after that, with that 5 we are going to add 8. The third number is 8. So add 5 plus 8 now. So 5 in the mind, I am going to add 5 to 8. 8 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. What you have to do? So write 3 in the ones place and this one I am going to carry forward here. So 13, 3 I am writing it here, 1 I am carry forwarded. Now what you have to do now? Now we are going to add the tens place. Shall we add now? So now carry forward is also there. Don't forget to add now. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 1 plus 1, 2. So now 2. With that 2, we are going to add 6 now. 2 plus 6, 2 in the mind. After 2, you are going to add 6 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. With that 8, I am going to add, the next number is 2. So 8 plus 2, 8. After 8, 9, 10. After 8, 9, 10. Again, this is also a 2-digit number, isn't it? So write 0 here and 1. So write 0 here and 1. It should be carried forward to the hundreds place. Carry forward that 1 to the hundreds place. Now what we have to do? Now we have to add the hundreds place. Shall we add the hundreds place now? 1 plus 9. Add 1 and 9. Take the first 2 1. So the carry forward and 1 9. 1 plus 9 is 1. After 1 you're going to add 9 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the answer is 1 plus 9 is 10. Now if you add 10 plus 0, if you add 10 to 0, the answer will be 10, right? Now 10. Now with that 10 I'm going to add 4. Add 10 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 1. Write it down. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? So 14 is again a 2-digit number. So write 4 here and 1 you carry forward to the thousands place. And 1 I've carried forward to the thousands place now. Now add the thousands place now. 1 plus 4. After 1, you're going to add 4 numbers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. With that 5, I'm going to add 1. Again 5. 5 plus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. With this 10, I'm going to add 7. 10 plus 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. Again 1. 10 plus 7 is 17. 10. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is a 2-digit number. So write 7 in the thousands place and 1 you carry forward and write it here. Yes, 1 you have to carry forward and write it in the, sorry I forgot to write. So write it in the 10,000 place. That 1, there is nothing to add. So bring it down. Write in 1 in the 10,000 place. So when you add 4913 5062 7428, the answer is 17,403. First you have to add the ones place. First take 2 numbers and from that answer add the next number. Next add the tens place, then the hundreds, then the thousands, then the 10,000 place. No, we know addition facts, right? By taking bigger numbers. We know addition facts. So, same way, if I add 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2, the answer will be same, right? Same way, if you take for bigger number also, if you add 2 or more numbers can be added in any order, right? If I add 2 numbers, we can add any 2 numbers in any order. So, same way, there is one example for you. 7,460 plus 3,321, if you add, the answer is 10,781. In same way, I am adding 3,321 and 7,460, the answer will be the same. The thing is, the answer is 10,781. If you add 2 numbers in any order, the answer will be the same. And next one, adding 0 to a number gives the same number. If I add 2 plus 0, the answer is 2. Right? If I add 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. Same way it is also for the bigger number also. If I add 3,900 plus 0, the answer is 3,900. Same way, if I add 0 plus 2,800, the answer will be the same, 2,800. A number can be written as the sum of 2 numbers in many ways. See, a number can be written in many ways. Here is one example for you. 1,100. So 1,100 we can write it in many ways. How to write? Just we'll see. We can write a number in many ways. For example, so 1,100. How to write 1,100? Shall I write like this? 900 plus 200. Add 900 plus 200. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. So when you add 900 plus 200, the answer is 1,100, right? Same way, when I'm adding 1,000 plus 100, what is the answer? 0 plus 0, 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1, 1. So when you add 1,000 plus 100 also, The answer is 1100. So we can write the number in many different ways. Same way, 800 plus 300. The answer is 0, 0, 8 plus 3. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 800 plus 300 is also 1100. Similarly, 700 plus 400. 700 plus 400. Add 700 plus 400. 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we can write a number in different ways. So I am taking 1100 number. So 800 plus 300 is 1100. 900 plus 200 is 1100. 700 plus 400 and 1000 plus 100 is also 1100. So next is find the following sums. First one, exercise number 3.2. Find the following sums. So we are going to add 3863 and 4978. Shall we add this now? 3863, 4700, 978. So first write in the exact place 3000, 3 in the thousands place, and 8 in the hundreds place, and 6 in the tens place, and 3 in the ones place. And similarly 4 in the next number 4000, 4 in the thousands place, 9 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place, and 3 in the and 8 in the ones place. Shall we add this now? So first we are going to add the ones place. So 3 plus 8. We are going to add 3 plus 8. After 3 we are going to add 8 numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. So I'm right. It is a 2-digit number, right? So write 1 in the ones place, and this one I'm carry forwarding to the tens place, and that one I'm going to carry forward to the tens place. Now we are going to add the tens place now. 1 plus 6. Add 1 and 6 and tell me the answer now, children. After 1 we are going to add 6 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. So with that 7 I am going to add one more 7. 7 plus 7. After 7, 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 7 you are going to add 7 numbers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. So write 4 in the tens place, and this one you are going to carry forward to the hundreds place. Now we are going to add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 8. Add 1 and 8 and tell me the answer now. We can add 8 plus 1 also, right? We can add in here. 8 plus 1 is 9. And with that 9, I am going to add this 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is a 2-digit number. So write 8 here and 1 you carry forward it here. Now we are going to add the thousands place. 1 plus 3. After 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now again add one more 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or else 4 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 down. So the answer is 8,841. Again I'll explain this in the next class. And here is one worksheet for you. Add the following numbers. Finish the worksheet, children. So practice well the sums. See you in the next class. Thank you.